So you're in Destiny Discover here, and I wanted to go over some of the features that it does have. To begin with, once you're logged in, you're going to notice that all your ebooks are going to have either an in or an out on top here. This book is out. I cannot check it out right now. This book is in. I can check this book out if I wanted to. So if you click on the book itself here, it'll give you some more information. It'll give you the author. It'll give you the AR points and the level so that you know that. But before you check it out, you can actually open it up and see what it looks like. By clicking here, you're not checking it out, you're only opening it up to see if it's something that you would want to check out. Go over some of the features that this Follett ebook has for you. If you notice, you have the book here in front of you. You flip the pages by going the right arrow and the left arrow. But up here, if you scroll up here, you have some information up here that'll help you, be very helpful for you guys. Here, if you like the book and you click on this one, it gives you an option to check out the book from here, so that way you can check it out automatically. This next one here, some books, most of the books that are done that look like a regular standard book, I'm not talking about a graphic novel or any of the cartoon style books, but if it's a regular book, if you click on play, it'll read you the words if you don't know how to read them.
Come on, sweetie, she called. We need you on steel guitar. He forced a smile.
Of course, it sounds very robotic, but this will help you, especially if you want to know how to pronounce a word, or if you want the system itself to read it to you. You can click on that. When you click on this here, it gives you your options. Here I have it under the girl voice. I can click it to the male voice, and I can click on play.
Soon, Han. I'll be back. We walked on. JD turned.
Alright, so you can actually go faster. Click on faster.
JD turned to us. My wife, and is she also a magician? I asked.
Or if you need to slow down, you can slow it down.
He nodded, his expression turning dark.
Alright, so those are some of the things that you can mess with as far as the audio is concerned. The next one I wanted to go over was this display option here. If you have problems reading the book, that the words are too small, you can increase the size of the words. So this will be helpful for those who are having problems reading the text. If it's too small, you can make it bigger, or you can drag it down and make it smaller, because this will have to, it gets very, very small. Alright, it also has a dyslexic font, so you can activate it or inactivate the dyslexic font. Under page layout, you can have it read like if it's a regular book, or if you just want a single page, you can click on that. And then you can also change the themes. You can click on different themes for it to look differently if you like to see it like that. You can switch it to a different colored background. So you have a lot of options here to tailor with. The next thing is a bookmark. You can add a bookmark. You're reading the book and you need to go to another class. You can go ahead and click on the bookmark and it'll save it for you. So those are the main features that you have on this book. When you go into Follett Destiny and when you're looking at the books and seeing if you want to read them, these will really help you guys out, especially the ones that make the font bigger or smaller if you need to, and the reading of the book to you. Alright, so if you have any questions, let me know, but this was a real quick introduction on how you can use your ebooks through Destiny Discover, and to help you guys read the books that much better online. Thanks for watching.